creates bots, but for good, right? There's a difference here.
Yes.
Explain that. What does your company do?
Sure. So we essentially work with enterprises and understand their process and help them with identifying which processes can be automated and which process to directly connect them with their company agents. Say, for example, if we are working with a real estate firm, we try and understand when to connect a consumer who's looking for a new house with an actual realtor versus when can we automate and send them updates, be it via chatbot, or an SMS, or maybe on a Facebook channel.
So you're trying to streamline the process, you're trying to make it more efficient. Once I get to that website, you're trying to get me to the spot that's going to be
That's right.
the most
and not
helpful.
Totally like automate it all the way through, but try and understand what is meaningfully good to automate versus what has to be in the human hands.
All right, so explain the flip side of this, because there's the nasty bots out there. What are they doing?
So essentially, as you mentioned earlier, bots are machines or trained to do certain acts. If you tell go through 3 pages, they will exactly go through 3 pages. So it is most of the time humans, intelligent programmers who are scraping web pages and understanding where a bot should act like a human click or act like a human decision maker. So in those cases, what companies can do, or what we suggest companies do, is add certain scripts or add certain tags on the page which will want you to identify, is this a machine or is it a bot? Like reCAPTCHA is one example.
That's that thing where you see I'm not a robot, you check, or you've got to identify pictures
or something like that.
Right.
So you have ways where you can do it. It essentially has to be a difference maker of how fast do you want a consumer or a person, for this example, buying a ticket, versus if you delay from the ticket process by 2 minutes, are you going to get them 100% satisfied ticket process, or is it going to ruin your sale? Like for example, if you're buying a ticket on Expedia, like bots could be built for Expedia, but there is a security in place where you cannot run a bot on Expedia and they are taking care of it. So I think this is a big incident which will have people to reconsider ticketing systems.
Yeah, because how do they defeat the system? Are they constantly evolving and changing and trying to beat software that's in place to try to prevent this sort of thing from happening?
So you can, it's a chain reaction, right? You're putting security measures, somebody out there is breaking them, and you're again putting security measures. So one thing would be cautious automation or cautious building of stuff, saying, I want things to go fast. I want thousands of people to buy tickets across the city or across the state, but at what cost? How easy am I making it versus how many measures am I taking without disrupting the process of purchasing a ticket, but making it streamlined so that it's not in wrong hands.
A balance that they're trying to strike, obviously. Arun Bakar, founder of BotSplash. Appreciate you stopping by and explaining this for us. Very, very helpful.
Thanks, James.